Welcome, in front of me is a REALME GT2 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you should see a power saving mode or battery saver mode as it's called right here, which is the first toggle on the second page, at least for me. And once you see this toggle, simply press on it and it will change the filling to blue. And the battery right here will be just also changed, and that's it. Now it gives us no notification on what it changes, so I can only assume what it can do. And just to give you a heads up, most of the power saving modes tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, so when you're not using it, it just gets rid of it to save battery, and because of that you won't be receiving notifications from apps that need internet connection. So if you're experiencing that your notifications from apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and just so on are not being delivered to you at all or being delayed with delivery, power saving mode is the one to blame here. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again, tapping on it, and everything should go back to functioning normally. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.